Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brianna, aka DollFace Brii, and today we are doing my first wig install ever. So, to get to the basics, we already washed and detangled my hair. One thing I love about my hairstylist, Ariana, aka Supreme Strands, she's not one of those Atlanta hairstylists that be like, honey, you need to come washed and dry. Like, honey, she took care of that for me. And once she gave me some good set it off braids, she made sure that they were super flat. And then she's going to take some weaving thread and she's going to thread that little piece of hair that was hanging. She's going to thread that through the rest of them, and then she's going to sew the rest of my braids together. This is actually a good technique because when your hair starts to grow and that new growth starts coming in, I'm not going to look crazy underneath my wig. The set it off braids will still be trying to set it off, honey. Then she's going to go in with some alcohol, take off some of my makeup that I had on. And then, of course, as you can see, she put on the ball cap. And one thing about her, yes, she slays my hair, but she's going to make sure that my real hair is taken care of and treated. And then she's just doing the same thing, but she's actually sewing the ball cap on. And if you want to follow her, she has an Instagram, which is __ Supreme Strands. She is a licensed cosmetologist, and she has done a lot of people's hair. As you can see, that is Diera. And she is a celebrity stylist, and she's very affordable. She's very professional, and honestly, guys, she is amazing. So like I was saying, she does sew in the cap into my braids. So then, once my hair starts to grow, if I want to switch wigs, my hair is still going to be intact and the ball cap is still going to be attached. And guys, I'm going to apologize now because as you can see in this video, I am chewing on gum, and mentally I forgot that I was filming this video, so it's going to look like I'm chewing like a cow this whole entire video, so please forgive me. I'm so sorry. And a lot of this is going to be self-explanatory because y'all seen people install wigs before, so I'm not going to give y'all step-by-step details on that because you're going to see everything. This part kind of made me nervous. It wasn't because of her. It was just because I'm very ticklish and I didn't want to do anything where she's going to end up cutting me because I end up bust out laughing. So once she cut my ears out, she's going around the perimeter of my head to get rid of the excessive parts of the ball cap that she does not need. And it's a great thing that she did sew around the perimeter of my head because, honey, the ball cap is not moving. Now, some people, they just tie their ball cap in the back, or some people, they sew it in, but I'm glad that she sewed it in because, honey, my wig is still attached, it's still intact, it's still slaying. So yeah, y'all see that. And yeah, I'm talking throughout this whole entire video, as you can see, because once me and my girl get together, we be chit-chatting. And everything, you guys, that we used in this video will be down below in the description box for you, so don't worry. I will also put her social media handles in there and also mine, along with a lot of the products that we used. And y'all, look at that meltdown. Look how flawless it is. I had to give y'all a nice little slow-mo. Y'all see that? And you see how she put the thread going across? That's important. And right here, you guys, we are using the Bold Hold lace glue. This is the one with Alonzo Arnold, the Lemon Burst scent. You guys, I love this glue because with this being my first time having a wig install, it wasn't harsh to me. Some people said that they had negative reactions to wig glue, but this one, it smelled so good. It was so easy to use, and my wig is literally still slaying, still attached. And if you see me bringing up my phone, it's because I was recording for TikTok. And if you want to follow me on TikTok or other social media platforms to actually see the video, you can do that. And So she starts going in with the blow dryer, you know, the standard usual. But y'all, look at me take out my eyelash. For some reason, I had allergic reaction to my eyelash glue, and I was in there struggling, y'all. So that's why I don't have an eyelash in the front of this video. Like, why? And as this video goes on, my eye gets worse. So just ignore that, and ignore me smacking and chewing on this gum like a cow. Then she's going to go in the back and of course cut the lace in the back. And it wouldn't be me if I wasn't trying to be in the camera. Period. So once my wig wasn't pulled back blue no more, she situated her on top of my head. Then I had to hold it down for her. So guys, I was having issues with my camera, so I had to get some phone footage. But like I said, this is just standard stuff. She cut the lace into 3 parts so it could frame perfectly with the shape of my head, and she cut off the ear tabs because I have a very small head, so this wig was a little bit big for me. And this wig is also by Nadula, and you can use my code KOC10 to save some money. I do have an affiliate link, so you know, shop through it with your girl. So this is me telling her that I want some barrel curls because I need something that I could take care of. And she decided to cut some layers into it to frame my face. But y'all, I really did not take care of this hair as well as I thought that I was going to, because sometimes y'all be fighting in my sleep. And the way I woke up a few days after getting my hair done, I was looking like Who Shot John. And I was looking a mess. Like I said, y'all, my girl's a professional, so she made sure that I was looking right. The layers was in place, the layers was layering, and she said that she really liked this hair because it was so easy to manage. It was easy to cut, easy to curl. The lace was the best part because it was very soft. Even the hair is soft. And you guys, I've had this hair installed in for maybe about like 2 weeks now, and it still has not tangled up. This is very good hair. And she also said that the hair is an even 22 inches around. Now, some wig vendors, they try to pretend that their stuff is going to be even, and it's not. But this was an even 22 inches. So we're going to go in with a Baby Bliss curling iron, and she's going to start giving me some good glamorous barrel curls. It was giving expensive. It was giving rich wife. It was giving mother vibes.
I'm sorry, it's my fault. Hey, baby. I'm sorry, it's my fault. We almost done.
We almost done, baby.
This is me talking to her boyfriend because, y'all, my girl, she squeezed me in, and by the time we left, it was like 10 o'clock at night, and he was just trying to check to make sure that we was okay because we were the last few people that was leaving. Ain't he sweet, y'all?
Trying to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is in the visions that we play.
Y'all see that hair? This is why I said it was giving rich. It was giving expensive. It was giving rich mother, housewife. Look at it. So once we took the melting band off, you guys, this hair was literally melting into my skin. Even people, they come up to me, they're like, oh, what kind of bundles are those? People think that this is my real hair, and I'm like, y'all, it's a wig. It's a wig, honey. she's going to go back in. She's going to start plucking the edges just to make sure that it looks very natural to my actual real hairline, like it's coming out of my scalp. And of course, she's going to give me some baby hairs. I am so jealous of the people who could do baby hairs because I'm a black girl who do not know how to do her baby hairs. Like, y'all, I've tried. It's not in me. So y'all see how those baby hairs are baby hair and how like smooth it looks, and the meltdown from the lace, like honey wet lace. You don't see no screen door. And of course she just does the same thing to the other side. And y'all look how vibrant the blonde is. Like, y'all, this is a good wig. Y'all better go get this wig. And guys, that is it. I told her to leave it in curls because we didn't leave until like 10, almost 11 o'clock at night. And that's pretty much it. That's it, guys.
I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Y'all, it's me trying to take a picture, not realize I'm still filming. I'm trying to get the thumbnail. Anyways, guys, that is it. And that is my hair. Please make sure you like this video and subscribe to see more. And make sure you follow me and Ariana on social media to see what style we do next. I really appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you follow me on other platforms. Okay, bye guys.